Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Miyeokguk, which is seaweed soup. Let's get started. Before I start, I want to give a shout out to 7 Legs Fairy who requested this episode. This one is for you. People make a lot of mistakes first time they try making Miyeokguk because they don't know how much seaweed to put. Even though this seaweed is only 10 grams, it's enough for 3 people because seaweed will expand in the water a lot. To get started, we need 10 grams of seaweed. Soak in water for about 30 minutes. While it's soaking, we need about 100 grams of beef, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 clove of minced garlic. Mix it well. Miyeok means seaweed and guk means soup, so Miyeokguk means seaweed soup. There are 3 different kinds of Miyeokguk: beef, fish, and clam. My favorite is beef Miyeokguk, so that's what I will be making today. I'm marinating beef so it can have more rich flavor. After 30 minutes, it's time to add our meat to a large pot. Add your meat to the pot before you turn the heat on. If the pot is too hot, the meat will stick on the bottom. When you cannot see any red in the meat anymore, drain your seaweed and add to the pot. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes, then add 5 cups of water. If you go to any Korean market, you can find instant Miyeokguk. It's not comparable to freshly cooked Miyeokguk, but it's still pretty good. I'm going to add 1 whole uncut onion into the soup. Adding a whole onion will give the soup a really unique fragrant sweetness that you can't find in any other Miyeokguk. That's my Kwon's Corner tip. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 40 minutes. While we're waiting for it to boil, let's start the Kwon's Corner fact! Seaweed is full of iron, which is good for blood circulation, which helps purify the blood. So in Korea, when a woman gives birth, they eat a lot of seaweed soup. Since women in Miyeokguk after giving birth, the first milk a baby drinks is full of nutrients from the seaweed. That's why every year, Koreans eat Miyeokguk on their birthday. After 40 minutes, scoop out your whole onion. Add 1 tablespoon of soup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tuna sauce, and 1 more clove of minced garlic. Nowadays, there is even instant Miyeok ramen, but the instant version aren't as healthy as a fresh Miyeokguk. The fresh garlic and seaweed make this soup really nutritious. Mix it well and give it a taste. Very delicious. If it is not salty enough, add a little more salt. Then scoop it into a large bowl. That's it. Our Miyeokguk is all ready to eat. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 세라. 생일 축하합니다.
So beefy. It's beef, right? Yeah. It's good. Usually when you have Miyeokguk, it's so fishy because they put clams and oysters and you can taste the seaweed so much. But this is more like a beefy onion soup with seaweed. And it's good. It's really sweet and savory, and I really like the beef and the seaweed. So you should make it at home. And that's it for your birthday. It's healthier than cake. Maybe you can have cake after that.
Whoever watching, make it for someone else's birthday. That will make someone happy. So hopefully you can try it. See you next week. 안녕!
안녕!
If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!